Being in the path of totality for a total solar eclipse is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for most Texans, so my family had to celebrate. We came up with 2 easy treat ideas that we're going to share with you today so that you can celebrate the eclipse as well.
First, I'm sharing these Eclipse cookies. They're easy enough that the kids can help make them, and they start with prepared cookie dough as a shortcut. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Roll individual sugar cookies into a ball, then flatten. Arrange on the prepared baking sheet at least 2 inches apart. Roll individual brownie cookies into a ball, working until smooth. Press down to flatten in your hand, smoothing out the edges as needed to maintain a round shape. Even though these cookies start out larger than the sugar cookies, you'll want them to be the same width as the sugar cookie dough will spread out more while baking. Next, you'll press the brownie cookies on top of the sugar cookies. Press some of them offset to the right, some of them offset to the left, and others right in the middle to demonstrate the stages of the eclipse. Bake for 10 minutes or until the edges of the sugar cookies are starting to become golden. Cool the cookies on the baking sheet on a wire rack until set. While they're cooling, use a large round cookie cutter or large cup to swirl around the cookies on the baking sheet to make them perfectly round. Next are these super easy Eclipse Cupcakes. Start with your favorite cupcake recipe or store-bought cupcakes and frost with yellow frosting. Add gold or yellow sugar sprinkles to a small bowl and press the tops of the cupcakes into the sprinkles to coat them generously. Press an Oreo cookie onto the top center of each cupcake so it looks like the moon is in front of the sun with the sun's corona glowing around it.
Get the details for both of these ideas on fabeveryday.com and be sure to follow Fab Every Day on social media for lots of ongoing inspiration like this.